In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list in Gmail. First, let's create the list. Start by opening Google Contacts. You can do this by going to your browser and typing contacts.google.com. Once you're there, you will see your existing contacts displayed on the screen. This is the hub for managing all your contacts in Gmail. A clean and organized contacts list makes your email communication much smoother. Remember, you can access this from any device as long as you are signed into your Google account. Next, click on the Create Label option. This button is usually located on the left sidebar of the screen. When you click it, a prompt will appear for you to enter a label name. Think of this label as the title of your distribution list. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of the group, like Project Team or Family. This makes it easy to find later. Once you have entered the name, click on the Save button. This action is crucial because it ensures that your new label is added to your contacts. Now, let's go to your contacts. If you are not already on the contacts page, click on the contacts option in the left sidebar. This will take you to a complete list of all your saved contacts. Having all your contacts in one place allows you to easily manage and organize them. You want to ensure you can quickly find the people you need to communicate with. Next, click on More Actions, represented by 3 dots. This option can usually be found near the top of the contacts list. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you can access additional options that help you manage your contacts more effectively. It's a simple step, but it opens up a range of functionalities available to you. From there, select the contacts you want to include in your distribution list. You can do this by checking the box next to each contact's name. As you select contacts, you will see them being highlighted. This visual confirmation shows you which contacts are part of your selection. It is important to choose the right contacts to ensure your distribution list serves its purpose. Once you have selected the contacts, click on the label icon, which looks like a tag. This icon is typically located at the top of your screen. When you click it, a menu will appear displaying all your labels. Selecting this icon is essential because it allows you to assign the chosen contacts to your newly created label. This step is what transforms your selected contacts into a functional group for future emails. Now, select your new label from the list. You will see the label name you created earlier. Clicking on it will apply that label to all the selected contacts. This part is key because it organizes your contacts into a cohesive group, making it easy to email them all at once. You will notice a confirmation pop-up indicating that the label has been applied successfully. Finally, click on Apply. This action finalizes the process of adding the label to your selected contacts. It's a simple but important step that ensures your changes are saved. You will see your contacts now listed under the new label, confirming that your distribution list is ready to use. This makes future communication quick and efficient. Now you know how to create a distribution list in Gmail. It's a straightforward process that can save you time and effort in your email communications. Enjoy using your new distribution list.